Hi, hello everyone. Greetings for the day. Welcome back to another tutorial on SQL. This is Srinath Mukamalla and you are watching the latest tutorial on SQL Server. Today we are going to learn about mathematical functions. We have different types of mathematical functions like absolute functions, ceiling, floor, power, square, square root and random. We have some more. Let me go to the SQL server and verify the same. First we'll see what is absolute function. A mathematical function that returns the absolute positive value of a specific numeric expression. So let me go to the SQL server. I'll do select absolute. I'll give 12 point. I'll give minus 12. If I run this, I'll give it positive value. So if we give negative value, we will always get the positive value. Let's go to the ceiling, select ceiling. So ceiling, this is a function returns the smallest integer greater than or equal to specific numeric expression. Let me go here. I'll give 15.1. I'll get 16. See, this is the difference. Let me go to the floor now. Select floor of 15.9. Sorry. So returns the largest integer less than or equal to the specific numeric expression. So if I run this, we got 15. Let me see the power. Power of 2. We got, sorry, there is a mistake. Okay, I need to give the floating value. I just forgot that. So 2 power 3, 8. Now let me see the square. We got 4. Let me see the square root now. I'll give 81. If I run this, I got 9. Let me see the random now. Will not give any value. See, we got a random number between 0 and 1. Now again, if I execute, the random number will be changed every time, but it will be in between 0 and 1. So if we don't want to change the number, just give 1 and select. See, the number didn't change. I hope you understand the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Click on bell icon. Thanks for seeing the video. Bye.